Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Shopify Incorporated beginner guide step by step clearly. The first step is to evaluate your current operations. Identify your best-selling products and analyze your sales data. Look for trends in customer behavior and preferences. Next, optimize your website for better user experience. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Reduce clutter and make navigation intuitive. Invest in high-quality product images and descriptions. Then, implement effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms to engage your audience. Consider email marketing to retarget previous customers. Explore influencer partnerships to expand your reach. Afterward, focus on customer service. Provide prompt responses to inquiries and complaints. Consider implementing a live chat feature for immediate assistance. Then, streamline your fulfillment processes. Evaluate your shipping options for cost and efficiency. Consider using third-party logistics providers to save time. Next, analyze your inventory management practices. Use tools that automate inventory tracking to avoid stockouts. Replenish popular items timely to meet demand. Finally, leverage data analytics for ongoing improvements. Regularly review your sales performance and customer feedback. Adapt your strategies based on data insights to fuel growth. By following these steps, you can set a solid foundation for scaling your Shopify business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.